Hello my friends out there in the YouTubes. It is Goofy Bastard here. Welcome back, or welcome to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, I appreciate you coming along for the ride. Welcome my friend to December. It is December 8th in southeastern Pennsylvania. It is almost 55 degrees. A bit breezy, but you know what? I can't pass up this opportunity. I can't piss up this opportunity either. But I can't pass up this opportunity to get out and ride, get out on a bike for a little while, clear my head, you know, do all that fun shit that we do when we're on motorcycles. But yeah, so I'm riding in December, almost the end of the year. So since it's the end of the year, a few people have asked me about the motorcycle I won, the 1996 Yamaha VMAX that I won from Shade Tree Surgeon, Forgotten Angels, and the like. So I'm going to give you an update. All right, here's the update. You've seen I had the bike, I picked up the motorcycle. It is in my possession. When I received the motorcycle, I was given the wrong title for the bike. Luckily, I found out before I went through all the rigmarole of trying to get it titled in my name. So my point of contact was David Tyler from Forgotten Angels. So he has been working diligently. This, you know, I found out a week or so after I got the bike. So back in late March, I found out about it. They lost the title that they had, I guess, with the move and everything else. And, you know, but David worked diligently to get me that title. I have the title for the motorcycle now. The motorcycle is legally in my name now. It has tags, it has insurance, it has registration, and I actually have the title in my name. The problem with the VMAX right now is that because I didn't have any paperwork on it to prove that it was mine, I wasn't riding it. I wasn't going to ride it because I wasn't sure what the ramifications would be if I got caught riding, because I couldn't even show a title. I could show nothing for it. The tag that was on it was a Florida tag that was probably expired. So I did not want to ride it on the streets of Pennsylvania like that. So the bike sat. The bike sat all summer, part of the fall. So right now, while it'll start up and run, the carburetors are still a little gummed up to where I can't really ride it. And with that being a four carburetor system, I think it might be above my scope of intelligence to pull that all apart and to get it right. So I am going to take it to a shop, get the carburetors redone and synced properly, and go from there. So that's basically the update on the VMAX. I mean, it sucks that it took as long as it did to get the title, but like I said, David Tyler is a stand-up guy. He was working diligently to get it, and he got it. He came through. You know, I was in communication with him throughout this whole time, and he got it done, and that's what's important. So like I said, the bike is in my name. I got a PA tag on it, I got registration, and I have insurance on it. So hopefully I'll be able to get it into a shop soon, and then, you know, maybe even get it out once or twice over the winter. Who knows? My biggest thing is it's a pain in the ass to get out of the shed. My shed isn't that big, so for me to pull the VMAX out, I got to pull the Harley out too, which isn't bad. It's just a pain in the ass. Because I did pull out the VMAX, and I did try to ride it, and it just wasn't working for me. So there is the update for anybody who wanted to know. Like I said, a 96 Yamaha VMAX. It's got 21,000 miles on it, and like, I seriously can't wait to ride it. Tear that shit up, man. It's a VMAX. Who wouldn't want to tear that shit up? I mean, come on now. So that's what's going on, my friends. So until next time. How come whenever I end a video, it's a fucking stop sign, traffic light, one of those things? But anyway, until next time, my friends, y'all stay safe. Y'all love one another. Peace.